It's impossible to measure my love for you. You are the rarest and most beautiful thing on this planet. I am the luckiest man in the world to be able to call you mind my love for you will last a lifetime. Loving you is my favorite thing. After all this time, I still love you. It's always been you. It was you yesterday. It was you today. And it will be you tomorrow. And for the rest of my life, it will be you. I love you. I adore you. You make me better. You are the spark in my darkness. To my wife, I am forever thankful to have met you. You are my breath and my light. You are the reason my days are filled with happiness. I love you more than I knew possible. I know I might not be the perfect man, but you know that I will do everything and anything for you. You are my everything. You are amazing. So I am beyond grateful for sending someone as wonderful as you.